Hello students. In last video we have done 50 numericals. Now we continue all these numericals. Numerical question number 16. Question 16. A bullet leaves a rifle with a muzzle velocity of 521 meter while accelerating through the barrel of the rifle. The bullet moves a distance of 0.84 meter. Determine the acceleration of bullet. Here, given a bullet leaves a rifle with a nozzle velocity of 520 meter per second. Muzzle velocity 521 meter per second. Other thing, while accelerating through the barrel of the rifle, the bullet moves a distance of 0.84 distance 0.840 meter. Determine the acceleration of the bullet. The bullet leaves a rifle with a muzzle speed 521 meter per second. This is final velocity V. And bullet start from rest means U is equal to 0. Solve. Fine. We have to find acceleration. Here we have distance, final velocity, initial velocity. We have to find distance or acceleration. We will use third equation of motion. V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. V square 521 square is equal to 0 plus 2 into A into S. Distance 0.84 meter. We will solve it. So A is equal to 521 into 521 divided by 2 into 0.84. Now we solve it via calculator. (521) into 521 divided by 2 divided by 0.84. Value is 161,572 meter per second square. (1.62) into 10 to the power 5 meter per second square. Answer is okay. Now wrote down this. Question number 17. A stone is dropped into a deep well. Here to hit the water 3.4 seconds after being dropped. Determine the depth of the well. Question number 17. In this question, a stone is dropped into a deep well and here it's hit water 3.4 seconds. Time here after 3.4 seconds. 0.41 second. Suppose we have to find depth of well is equal to h. Find given solution. Here, this is well. This is well. Here is the water level. We throw a stone inside it and it strike on the water surface and vice come to us. We heard it 3.41 seconds. After 3.41 seconds, so we have to find depth of the well. So we will use equation h is equal to ut plus half at square. U, initial velocity of u is equal to 0 because we throw a stone into the well. So h is equal to u 0 plus t plus half a is equal to g. G is equal to 10 into t square 3.41 square. H is equal to 5 into 3.41 square. This is equal to 3.41 into 3.41 into 5. 58.14 meter. Here the answer is 57 meter. This is about same. Now wrote down this. Question number 18. A plane has takeoff speed 88.3 meter per second and requires 1365 meter to reach that speed. Determine the acceleration of the plane and the time required to reach this speed. Question number 18. This is an important question because the other questions are something like this question. So question number 18. What is given? A plane has takeoff speed 88.3 meter per second and require 80 meter to reach. Takeoff speed means v is equal to final velocity is equal to 88.3 meter per second. S is equal to 1365 meter. Determine the acceleration and time required to this. Find rate of acceleration and time taken. Solution. We can understand this question by this figure. Suppose this is our runway. This is a plane. This is plane. U is equal to 0. This total distance 1365 meter. V is equal to 88.3 meter. So some time will take to reach this point, and the acceleration, we have to find acceleration and time in this figure. So how we do this? V is equal to u plus at. h is equal to ut plus half at square. From third equation, from motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. V square 88.3 whole square is equal to 0 plus 2a into s 1365. We have to solve it, and a is equal to 88.3 into 88.3 divided by 2 into 1365. We will solve it. 88.3 into 88.3 divided by 2 divided by 1365. The value is a is equal to 2.85. Now we have to find out the time. In first equation, v is equal to u plus at. We know the value of v, 88.3 is equal to 0 plus a, 2.85 into t. So t is equal to 88.3 divided by 2.85. We will solve it, and the value is 30.98 seconds. Now draw down this. Question number 19. A train traveling at 5 meter per second is speed up to 10 meter per second in 4 seconds. Find the acceleration of the train. U is equal to 5 meter per second. V is equal to 10 meter per second. Time is equal to 4 seconds. Given. Find acceleration in this process. Of train. Solution. How we do it? Here we know the initial velocity of train u, 5 meter per second. Final velocity 10 meter per second. Time taken 4 seconds. We have to find acceleration here. So we will use equation v is equal to u plus at. We know the value of v, we know the value of u, we know the value of t. We will find a. Solve it. Okay. Next question. Question number 20. A car starts from rest and acquired a velocity 54 meter per second, 54 km per hour in 2 seconds. Find the acceleration distance doubled by the car as the motion of car is uniform. Given a car starts from rest, u is equal to 0. Acquired a velocity v is equal to 54 km per hour in t is equal to 2 seconds. Find acceleration number 2. It In this question, first we will we have to 50, here we have 54 km per hour. We will change it into meter per second. 54 into, we change kilometer in meter, hours 3600 means this is equal to 54 into 5 by 18. This is equal to 15 meter per second, means u is equal to 0, v is equal to 15 meter per second, t is equal to 2 seconds. We have to find acceleration. Now solve it. V is equal to u plus at. Now solve it and find the value of a and wrote down this. ये क्या भी 27 क्वेश्चन है. Question number 21. A car traveling at 54 km per hour slow down 36 km per hour in 10 seconds. Find the retardation of the car. Here u is equal to 54 km per hour. We have to change it in meter per second. 54 km per hour. We have to change it meter per second. So 5 by 18. 15 meter per second, and v is equal to 36. Is 36 kilometer per hour. We change it into meter per seconds. So this is meter per second. This is 10 meter per second. T is equal to 10 seconds. Find the retardation of the car. We also here find the value of acceleration. This is retardation. What is retardation? When the initial velocity is greater than final velocity. Here u is greater than v, means the retardation in process. The speed is decreasing. We will use the first equation. V is equal to u plus at. The value of u, v is equal to 10. U 15 plus a into in 10 seconds. So minus 5 is equal to a into 10. A is equal to 0.5 in minus meter per second square. Means this is retardation. The minus value shows retardation value. Now wrote down this. Question number 22. A train start from rest, accelerated uniformly at the rate of 5 meter per second square for 5 seconds. Calculate the velocity of train after 5 seconds. U is equal to 0. Accelerated uniformly. With 5 meter per second square. At the rate of 5 meter per second for 5 seconds. T is equal to 5 seconds. Calculate the velocity of train after 5 seconds. So, what is the velocity? V. Find after 5 seconds. The answer is V is equal to, 25 meter per second. Now solve it by yourself. Question number 23. A body starts from rest, accelerated uniformly at the rate of 5 meter per second for 10 seconds. Find the distance traveled by the body. Same question. A is equal to 5 meter per second square. For 10 seconds. A is equal to 10 seconds. Find the distance traveled by the body. S is, we have to find the value of S. Body starts from rest. So U is equal to 0. Find value of S. How we do this? S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to U 0 into A plus half A into T square. This is equal to 5 into 100 divided by 2 meters. Now wrote on this. Do this question by yourself. This one. Question number 14. Car is traveling with a speed of 36 km per hour. Question number 24. U is equal to 36 meter per second. Sorry, kilometer per hour. Driver applied the brake and retarded the car uniformly. The car is stopped in 5 seconds. T is equal to 5 seconds. V is equal to 0. Find the acceleration of the car, distance before it stopped after applying the brakes. First, we have to find out the acceleration. Second, distance traveled before the car stopped. Here, U is equal to 36 km per hour, T is equal to 5 seconds, V is equal to 0, A is equal to, we have to find out, and distance traveled before the car stopped. So, here, suppose this is a road. This is a object of car which is moving with a velocity of 36 km per hour. After 5 seconds, the car is moving with 36 km per hour and the driver applied the brake. After 5 seconds, the car stopped at this point. V is equal to 0. Time is 5 seconds. We have to find retardation and distance. So V is equal to, from first solution, from first equation of motion, V is equal to U plus AT. V is equal to 0. U 36 km per hour. We have to change it meter per second. This is 10 meter per second. 10 plus A into T. A is equal to minus 2 meter per second square. Means retardation is 2 meter per second. We have to find distance traveled before the car stop. So S is equal to, second question, S is equal to ut plus half at square. S. We can use this equation, or V is equal to U square plus 2as. We can use any one of this. We will use this one. V square is equal to U square plus 2s. V square is equal to 0. U square 10 square plus 2 into A. The value of A minus 2 into S. We have to find the value of S. Ten square means 100. We will take this value this side. 2 to 4. 4s is equal to 100. S is equal to 25 meter. This is the value. Now wrote down this. This is from first equation of motion. This is acceleration, we have to find it, and this is distance. Now wrote down this. Here, question number 25. A bullet moving with 10 meter per second hit a wooden plank. The bullet is stopped when penetrated 2 cm deep. Calculate the retardation of the bullet. Question number 25. Same question. I will explain this question, then you have to solve it by your own. A bullet moving with 10 meter per second hit a wooden block. U is equal to 10 meter per second and hit wooden plank. The bullet is stopped when penetrated 2 cm deep. S is equal to 2 cm. Calculate retardation of a bullet. Suppose this is our wooden block. This is our bullet that hit and penetrated 2 centimeters. So we have to find acceleration, retardation, find retardation of bullet. V is equal to 0. So from third equation, V square is equal to U square plus 2as. V square 0 square. U square 10 square plus 2 into A into S. 2 centimeter. S is equal to 2 centimeter. We have to change it in meter. This is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Now solve it and find the value of A. This is question number 25. Wrote down this and solve it. And it can be also written as, this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. This can be written as 0.02. This is question number 25. Wrote down this. Question number 26. A stone thrown vertically upward with a speed of 5 meters per second. How much height the stone will before back to the earth? Question number 26. Here, we throw a stone with a 5 meter, U is equal to 5 meter per second upward. Gravity is 9.8 into 10 to the power 9.8 into meter per second square. We have to find the height. How much height the stone goes. above the earth. So we will use h is equal to ut plus half at square. S h, we have to find the value of h. H is equal to u 5 into in this equation we don't have t, so we don't use this equation. U is equal to 5 meter per second, v is equal to 0. V is third equation. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. V square 0 is equal to u square 5 square plus 2a. The value of a 9.8 minus, because this is our ball is going upward and the gravitation is always vertically downwards. So the value of this minus 9.8. Okay, and s is equal to h. We will solve it. We take this portion this side, then this will be positive. Into h is equal to 25. H is equal to 25 divided by 19.6. This is the value to 5 meters. This is the value how much height he obtained. Question number 27. A ball thrown vertically. Wrote down this. And question number 27. A ball thrown vertically upward with velocity 10 meter per second. Calculate the height attained by the ball and taken by it to reach the highest point if the acceleration of ball is 10 meter during its motion.
बापू गए नहीं तुम्हारे?
ऐसे न चलो.
बापू अंदर है, दरवाजा लगा है.
Question number 27. A ball thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 10 meter per second. U is equal to 10 meter per second upward. Calculate the height attained by the ball and time taken by it to reach the highest point of the acceleration of the ball. G is equal to minus 10 meter per second square. Find or calculate height attained by ball and time taken by it to reach maximum height. Solution. As we know that the maximum height means v is equal to 0, u is equal to 10 meter per second, g is equal to 10 meter per second square. We have to find the value of h and t. For the value of h, we will use v square is equal to u square plus 2s. Previously, as we have done previously, v square is equal to u square plus 2s. We have to find the value of s. S is equal to s. And in second portion, time. We have first equation, v is equal to u plus at. We know the value of v. U is equal to 10 plus the value of a minus 10 and t. This is equal to minus 10t. So t is equal to 1 second. This is done. Complete this portion by yourself. This is last question of our chapter. Now the chapter motion is completed. In next video we will talk about next chapter. I will attach all the numerical with this video. You will complete remain numericals we have not done yet. Thank you for today.